Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to take a look at our 2019 236 Grady-White Fisherman. This boat, hull in coastal fog blue. Underside of the hardtop is also in coastal fog blue. Boat is not bottom painted yet. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the options. Our 236 has a 300 Yamaha, has a swim platform with a boarding ladder, has storage for your extra anchor, and storage on the other side. This boat has the walk-through transom door. We've optioned it with the ski pool. This boat does have the live well, the fish box, has aft seating. Our 23 does have the deluxe leaning post with the live well, has a 4-rod rocket launcher on the back, has a live well under the seat. The helm, trim tabs, adjustable helm, has a new style Yamaha gauge. This boat does have the Fusion stereo system, overhead box, life jacket storage, 4-rod rocket launcher on the aft of the hardtop, cockpit light, there is a plumb porta potty. Boat does have the walk-through in the front, which flips up, has the seats with the backrests, some cup holders, pop-up running light, pop-up cleats, the anchor is forward. There is a core underneath the seat, there's a cushion for that. This boat does have the windshield, some more speakers, your tow rail for fishing, your helm seating. This is our 2019 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. Thank you.